we have to learn about computer class, third standard computer class now. Shall I start the online class? Okay. So we are going to see revision of level 2. What we are going to see? Revision of level 2. Okay ma'am, revision of level 2. What was learned in level 2? Do you remember? Okay, let us recall. First one, do you know what is computer? Computer is a useful machine. Machine is a man-made thing. It makes our work easier. Next, how to say computer can be used in various places? Computer used in various places like bank, library, railway station, police station, airport, school, office, etc. Next, how is a computer useful to our children? குழந்தைகளுக்கு எப்படி பயன்படுது? How is a computer useful to our children? First one, drawing pictures. How is a computer useful to our children? First one, drawing pictures. First one, drawing pictures. Drawing pictures. Next one, writing letters. Next one, writing letters. Third one, playing games. Third one, playing games. Fourth one, watching movies. Watching movies. Fifth one, drawing pictures, writing letters, playing games, watching movies. Get greeting cards. Sixth one, adding numbers. Okay. First one, drawing pictures. Second one, writing letters. Third one, playing games. Fourth one, watching movies. Fifth one, make a greeting cards. Sixth one, adding numbers. Okay ma'am. Next topic, why do we use the computer in most of the places? Why do we use the computer in most of the places, especially offices? Why? Because 4 main reasons. First one, work faster than human being. Work faster than human being. Work faster than human being. Second one, make no mistakes. Make no mistakes. Second one, make no mistakes. Third one, remember a lot. Remember a lot. Third one, remember a lot. Fourth one, do the same type of work again and again. Do the same type of work again and again. Okay. First one, work faster than human being. Second one, make no mistakes. Third one, remember a lot. Fourth one, do the same type of work again and again. These are the most valuable reasons for use computers in offices. Okay. Next, what are the parts of the computer? Already you know that. Have you seen the computer in your school? Yeah. Already we can see in our lab. Yeah. Then already you know that parts of the computer. What are the parts of the computer? Let us see. Next one, parts of the computer. Parts of the computer. First one, the main part is, first one CPU, second one monitor, third one keyboard, and fourth one mouse. So what is the first one? First one CPU, second one monitor, third one keyboard, fourth one mouse. Okay. First we have to see CPU. What is mean by CPU? CPU expansion is Central Processing Unit. CPU expansion is Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit, that is called CPU. It is the brain of the computer. Already you know that CPU is the brain of the computer. It is the most important part of the computer. It is the most important part of the computer. CPU expansion is Central Processing Unit. CPU expansion is Central Processing Unit, that is called CPU. It is the most important part of the computer. It is the most important part of the computer. It is the most important part of the computer. CPU controls all other parts like monitor, keyboard and mouse. CPU controls all other parts like monitor, keyboard and mouse. These ports have to be connected CPU. These ports have to be connected to CPU for them to work. These ports are connected to the CPU for them to work. Okay. Next, let us see monitor. What is mean by monitor? Monitor looks like a television screen. Monitor looks like a television screen. Looks like a television screen. Monitor looks like a television screen. A mouse pointer can be seen on the monitor. A mouse pointer can be seen on the monitor. Usually, whatever we type using the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. Usually, whatever we type using the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. Yeah. Next topic is keyboard. Next one is keyboard. Already you know that a keyboard is used to write on the computer. What is the main use, ma? What is the main use of keyboard? Keyboard is used to write on the computer. To write on the computer. To write on the computer. What is the usage of keyboard? To write on the computer. To give instructions through keyboard. To give instructions through keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. And the keyboard la buttons paathirpingala, these are called keys. Keyboard keys. Keyboard buttons are called keys. Keyboard buttons are called keys. Next we will go to mouse. Next one is mouse. What is mean by mouse? Mouse is used to select an item on the monitor. Mouse is used to select an item to shown on the monitor. So what is the main purpose? To select an item. To select an item to shown on the monitor. To shown on the monitor. Certain item to shown on the monitor. These are the parts of the computer. Once more I recall you. First one is CPU. CPU expansion is central processing unit. It is the most important part of the computer. It is also called brain of the computer. CPU controls other parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse. Next, monitor. Monitor looks like a television screen. Monitor looks like a television screen. A mouse pointer can be seen on the monitor. A mouse pointer can be seen on the monitor. Usually whatever we type keyboard, to type keyboard can be seen on the monitor. Next one is keyboard. Keyboard means to write on the computer. Keyboard usage is to write on the computer. Keyboard buttons are called keys. Next one, mouse. To select an item to shown on the monitor. Mouse is used to select an item. So mouse has two buttons. You know, already we have seen the mouse. Mouse has two buttons. First button is left. First one is left button. Second one is right button. Second one is right button. First one is left button. Second one is right button. Center. The mouse has center la or a small ball mari irukum. Small ball between the buttons. Okay. Next, we can use left button. Double click the left button to start an application. You can use double click the left button to start an application. If you want to open a control an application, click the right button. Next, to move up and move page, we use scroll button. Next, select an item or images. Select an item or images from one place to another place. For image ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு நம்ம கொண்டு போறோம் அப்படினா using drag and drop method. இப்போ ஒரு ஃபைல்னாலும் சரி ஒரு ஐகானாலும் ஓகே or images எதுவா இருந்தாலும் நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு from one place to another place using drag and drop method. What is that? Drag and drop method. So the additional parts of the computers. Additional parts of the computer. First one is, do you know what is the additional parts of the computer? First one is speaker. Second one is printer. The sound produced by the computer through the speaker. What is mean by speaker? The sound produced by the computer through the speaker. Next one is print. What is meant by printer? A printer helps you to print what you see on the monitor. நமக்கு எது வேணுமோ அதை நம்ம print கொடுத்தா printer மூலமாக நான் எடுத்துக்கலாம். These are called the additional parts of the computer. Next we will go, what are the input devices and output devices? First one, input devices. Let us see. What are the input and output devices? First one is input device. What is mean by input devices? Input devices allow us to send information to the computer. Input devices allow us to send information to the computer. Okay, is it correct? Yeah. Then what are the input devices? What are the input devices? Can you tell the answer? What are the input devices? Yeah, first one is mouse. Second one is keyboard. Second one is keyboard. What is the first one? Mouse. Second one is keyboard. Okay, ma'am. Next one, output devices. What are the output devices? What are the output devices? Output devices means, output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. What? Receive information from the computer. So, first one is receive information. Receive information from the computer. Receive information from the computer. Okay, what are the output devices? You know, already you know that. What are the output devices? First one, monitor. Monitor. Second one, speaker. Third one, printer. Third one, printer. Yeah, correct. First one, monitor. Second one, speaker. Third one, printer. Let us recall one more time. What are the input devices? Input devices means send information. Input devices means send information. Send information. Input devices means send information to the computer. What are the input devices? First one is mouse. Second one is keyboard. Okay. Next, output devices. What are the output devices? First, what is the meaning of output devices? Receive information from the computer. That is called output devices. So, first example is monitor, speaker, next printer. Next, then CPU. CPU is a input or output device. Can you tell anyone? CPU is a input device or output device. CPU is neither an input nor an output device. It takes the information given by the input devices, does the work and send the result to the output devices. Okay, ma? Next. Are you clear this topic? Okay. Next topic is safe computer practices. Safe computer practices. What is mean by safe computer practices? Yeah. While working of computer using these safe practices. What is the first one? Use computer for only half an hour. Use computer for only half an hour. Only half an hour. Next one, use computer for more than 1 hour per day. Not use more than 1 hour per day. More than 1 hour per a day. Not use more than 1 hour per a day. Third one, do not touch. Do not touch wires. Do not touch wires. Next one, do not put objects or fingers into the sockets. Okay. What is the first one, ma? Only half an hour. Computer use only for half an hour. Next one, not use more than 1 hour per day. Next one, do not touch wires while using the computer. Fourth one, do not put objects or fingers into the sockets. Okay, ma? I hope you all understand what I said the topic today. We will meet in the next